Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, we are going to decorate my front porch for the fall. I am so excited for the fall, even though the weather here in Texas does not seem very fall-like, but I'm so excited to decorate. So to get started with this, I am cleaning up the front patio. This mulch gets everywhere and it's so annoying. We do plan on making a planter box to keep all this stuff in the flower bed where it's supposed to be. So I'm just cleaning this up. So the next thing I'm going to do is I'm actually cleaning this patio bench. I know you guys are like, what the heck are you doing? But I didn't have any patio furniture cleaner and I figured why not use this Swiffer? It might work. So it actually worked pretty nicely. I'll just change out the pad. I just wanted a really deep clean. So I wanted to use this Swiffer for that. I'll just change out the pad once I'm done with it and just get a new one for the inside. But yeah, I actually like the way this worked and it was very practical. So I am in love with this rug I got from Overstock. I will link everything that I'm using in this video if I can find it online down below. But this rug is from Overstock and it's so fall and perfect for even Christmas time, which I am so excited to decorate the porch for Christmas as well. But right now I am just putting the pillows on here. And then I realized that I had the cushion that goes with the bench, but I didn't like it as much as I did without it. It did look cute and I did try the pillows on to see how I would like it even more, but I chose against it. It just didn't look as rustic as I wanted it to, so I went against it. When it comes to wood patio furniture, I never use the cushions that come with it. Am I the only one? Thumbs up this video if you agree. I am so excited to announce that this video is in partnership with Kirklands. They actually sent over these pillows as well as the easel that I will show in a little bit and the doormat. You guys, you definitely need to go check out Kirklands. They have some of the cutest fall decor this year. So everything I'm showing that's from Kirklands is from the Harvest collection. You guys, I promise you, if you love the farmhouse rustic chic type style, you will love all the stuff they have out in Kirklands. So make sure you guys go check them out. And I just love the way this patio bench looks with the pillows. The jute pillows behind were actually from Target that I bought years ago. If I find them, I will link them down below or I'll find something similar. But so far, I love the way this looks. Now I'm just playing with the pillows because that's what I do when I decorate. I move stuff around a lot, but I love the way it looks. So next, I'm decorating this little corner over here. I am putting this easel I got from Kirklands. I will link this down below. I don't think they have it online, but you can check your local Kirklands to see if they have it there. So I bought this Goodwill basket for I think $3 or $4. And I wanted to cover those little spots that are there. I have no idea what they are, but I also felt like there was something missing in that section. So I am going to DIY this Fall Floral Basket. It's such a simple and affordable DIY. You can go get a basket like these at Goodwill for like $3 or $4. And the florals that I'm using are from Dollar Tree and Walmart, so they're super affordable. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm just going to scrunch up some newspaper and throw it in there so the florals can be propped up more. And yeah, it's super simple. You can actually use decorative stuff to throw in there, but I couldn't find any and I just had newspaper, so that's what I'm using. So I'm just throwing these florals in there. I instantly was so in love with this. As soon as I saw the florals, how they look with this wicker basket, I thought they looked so cute. So now I'm just going to separate all the florals so it can look super full. And I am in love with this DIY, guys. I definitely recommend doing something like this. It is a beautiful centerpiece. It looks so expensive. When I was done with this, I was like, oh my gosh, like it looked like I bought it like this. And of course, I had to take some pictures for the gram. So that's what I'm doing right here. and I just added some more pumpkins just for it to be more fall. I noticed the pumpkins were a little low, and all I did was add more newspaper so it can be raised up a little bit. This is such a simple DIY, guys, and it just looks so cute. It does not get more fall than this. It really doesn't. I love this basket. This is exactly why I collect baskets, so I can use them for little projects like this. And I love the way it came out. And look at how cute this is, guys. Oh my gosh, this little corner is such a cute little spot, and the pumpkins were the perfect touch. So to the right, I wanted to add more pumpkins because, you know, it's fall and you can never have too many pumpkins, let's be real. So I love the way this looks. It's so perfect. So here's an overview of the porch. I love the way it's come together. It looks so cute. It looks so homey. I love this rug. I actually bought this rug a couple years ago. I bought this for last fall, but since we were in Florida, I wasn't able to decorate with it. So this doormat is looking a hot mess. I haven't changed this in 2.5 years, and I know that's terrible, but I did replace it with a Thankful and Blessed one. I loved it, and I changed this wreath, which has been out there for 2.5 years as well, for this beautiful wreath I got from Home Goods last year. I didn't use it last year, so I'm using it this year, and I loved it. I believe it was $21.99 or something like that. It was a pretty good price, and I just love the way it looks. And yeah, I am in love with this outdoor patio so far. It just looks so cute. So this doormat is from Kirklands. I will link it down below if I find it. And yeah, guys, so I hope you guys enjoyed this fall patio tour. I hope I gave you some ideas and I got you inspired to decorate for the fall. I know the weather hasn't been the best, but I know fall decor gets me in the spirit, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you're new, make sure you subscribe down below. I have plenty more fall videos coming up, and I go even crazier decorating for Christmas, so be ready for that. And a huge thank you to Kirklands for collaborating with me on this video. Make sure you guys go check out their harvest collection. You guys know I love Kirklands, and I promise you guys will find some cute stuff over there, so make sure you guys go check them out. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you guys so much, and I will see y'all in my next video. Bye, guys.